my gift to me from me.
Is this Indian store or Costco?
Like seriously guys, there has to be one thing at least that screws up the whole plan. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Mahek and I hope you guys are doing extremely well. This is gonna be part 2 of my adulting series where I will be taking you around different aspects of adulting. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so it's 1st of October today, which means that it is the official start of the fall season. Cannot believe that we are in October already. So as the season is changing, I need to get all the fall clothes into my wardrobe because my wardrobe right now is filled with only summer clothes like dresses and shorts and everything summer. So basically I need to get the sweaters and warm clothes out into my wardrobe now for easy accessibility, because right now they are lying down inside in this bed. I have my bag and everything is kind of inside that bag, so I need to get that. This bag that you see right over there has a lot of clothes which are both for winter and for fall. So I do have like all my jackets and beanies and things that are useful for like more cold and winter sort of a weather. So for now I'm planning to not get like everything out in my wardrobe, but only clothes that are going to be useful for the fall weather, which isn't like extremely cold as well. I still plan on keeping the scarves and beanies and everything inside the bag only and use it as and when I require those. That is exactly how you stay when you are staying in a small space and you have like so many things to accommodate. I believe in making like maximum use of all the space I have, and I guess like having storage under your bed is a really smart way. I did get few of my clothes out from the bag. Now I am gonna have them settled in my wardrobe. Okay, good morning. So it is an office day today and I'm driving to my office and it's gonna be a long day ahead. It's around 8 in the morning right now, so I'm currently running late because every time when I need to go to office I try to leave by 7:30ish because the traffic gets crazy. Honestly, my office is just 12 miles away from where I stay, but the traffic, oh my god, can get super crazy at times, and the time it takes me to reach office is quite unpredictable when there is a lot of traffic. Okay, all set and I'm gonna leave now. Finally got done with a really long day and it's just 6:30 right now and still you can see it's dark. Shorter days because fall is already here and I'm so not ready Now the plan is to go to Costco because I'm out of groceries and it's been a while since I've really gone to Costco. I love going to Costco, but not after work. Costco is like right next door, so I thought it would be a good idea to go there and get some food.
Number of Indian things Costco has. There's rice, then tur dal. What's this? Ras malai, paneer. Also have pav bhaji bun and what is this? Mango lassi. So many Indian stuff. Is this Indian store or Costco?
So it's the next day, and today right now I am gonna go for a very exciting order pickup. So I'm heading out to the Apple store for that, but what I'm getting is something I'm not gonna tell you guys right now. Also, this thing has been on my list for the longest time and I never really ended up buying it because I don't know for what reason. Like, I always wanted it, but I never bought it. And now I feel is like the right time to buy it. And I have already placed my order, so I just need to go pick it up. I am so excited. I'll definitely show it to you guys in a bit. But yeah, I got to leave now because I'm super late as always. Just picked up, it's right over here and I cannot wait to get home and open it now. Okay, so just got back home and right here is my gift to me from me. I know it sounds weird, but I'm so excited to open this. We went to the Apple store and it was really late by then, so we quickly just picked up the order and came back home because I didn't get any chance to unbox this there, but I thought that I would go home and then unbox it. So I cannot wait now. But here it is, and yeah, as you can read, I got an iPad. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm saying this because this has been on my list forever and I don't know what took so long, but I'm so happy that it is finally here. And now comes in the best part, which is unboxing. The opening and unboxing works like a therapy for me, for real. This is so big, but I always wanted like a big screen. I have like an engraving as well that I got done here. So yeah, because I wanted it to be engraved, I had to order it online and couldn't just go into the store and get it because engraving kind of takes couple of days. So I placed an order online and then went to pick it up. Getting something for yourself feels so good sometimes. Honestly, I don't do this that frequently, but the joy is something else. It's finally that time of the year when I'm finally gonna go home back to India. There's still time to when I'm going, but I just booked my ticket. But one thing that was really frustrating is the flight ticket. Like, I don't know for what reason it is so damn expensive. Like, last year when I went to India, I flew almost in half of the price than what I just paid for the tickets. I don't know why is it so expensive, or it's just that time of the year or whatever, but really it cannot be this expensive. At the same time, this is so damn heavy on my pocket, but yeah, you got to do what you got to do. And also there is one more point of stress and nervous in this entire thing is that my EAD card has still not arrived. For any of y'all who don't know what EAD card is, it's basically employment authorization card, and it's a document that essentially I need to travel to India and come back here. I applied that like 4 months back and I still haven't received it, but I'm optimistic and hopeful that it should arrive right in time before I leave. I don't know what's gonna happen with the ticket, so this is like a risky take I have taken here, but there was absolutely no way I could wait anymore to at least book my tickets. Like seriously guys, there has to be one thing at least that screws up the whole plan for sure, but I'm kind of hopeful and positive and optimistic. That's certainly gonna be it for this video. You exactly know what to do from here. Like, share and subscribe because that always helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.